Assalamualaikum Bliffians, you're watching Bliifee where I share Muslim life hacks to follow our deen more easily, and today you will learn how to stay cool in summer as a hijabi. Summer is coming in Melbourne and it gets really hot sometimes. So I'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how I stay cool in summer as a hijabi. Now I know that some of you might be living in the northern hemisphere where your countries are moving towards winter. So inshallah I will be making a video on Sunnah winter hacks, so stay tuned for that. But today we will focus on some hacks for hijabis in summer. Just don't mind the construction noises in the background, please. Okay, let's go. So the first hack in this video is related to the material of your scarves. Now, you might have rarely seen me wearing chiffon scarves because I prefer wearing cotton scarves like these, especially in summer. This one is cotton too. The main reason is because cotton absorbs the sweat, and even if we sweat, it doesn't really make us stink. Whereas chiffon scarves and other synthetic materials do not absorb the sweat and in fact make us stink even more. Not only this, when you do use a cotton scarf or whatever scarf for that matter, in summer especially, always go for a loose hijab style. Now my hijab style is very simple. All I do is wear an underscarf, put my scarf on and wrap it and just pin it. That's it. Nothing too complicated. Also, when you wear cotton scarves, they're rarely see-through because when you wear it as a double layer. So when you wear it like this is one layer, and then you go again and that's the second layer. So that way it is not see-through and you don't have to wear multiple layers like a ninja underscarf, an underscarf, and then a scarf on top of that. That's just too many layers to be wearing in summer. So cotton scarves, loose hijab styles, and just one underscarf if needed. Before we move on to the next point, give this video a thumbs up and let's go. The second hack in this video is a type of tops you wear in summer. Obviously, as hijabis, we want to be covering ourselves until our wrists, and that is super easy in winters with all those jackets and layers, etc. But in summer, the best way to go about this is to wear a thin top which is not see-through and has full sleeves. Once again, preferably loose so that it doesn't stick to your skin, because the more it sticks to your skin, the hotter you feel. So when it's not see-through and it's full-sleeved, that way again you don't have to wear many layers inside and you can stay cool throughout the day. Previously, I used to wear kurta tops which were 3/4 sleeves, and so I used to wear another t-shirt inside it which was full sleeved, and that would make me feel so hot because the shirt inside, even though it was cotton, it was very tight and it was 2 layers. So that just made things harder. So that's why now I prefer wearing simple one-layered tops which are full sleeves, loose and not see-through. And that is another hack to stay cool in summers as a hijabi. The third hack to stay cool in summer as a hijabi is to wear an abaya. I know what you're thinking. An abaya in summers and staying cool? How? Okay, let me show you. First of all, it's one-layered, full sleeves, loose, it's not see-through, which means that you can wear anything under your abaya. In fact, you could even wear t-shirts and loose pants or even half pants and no one would know. The main part about an abaya is that it is very free-flowing, and so it has a lot of cool airflow inside it. Similarly, you could also wear a light cotton long dress and it has the same effects of an abaya, but you just don't need to wear anything else underneath this. You can wear this completely as one layer only. In some dresses, however, you may have an opening like this in the end, so you might need to wear a pant just in case. Instead of dresses or abayas, you could also wear long skirts which have the same effect of free-flowing air inside. Just your natural AC. Especially if you live in Melbourne, because you have cool breeze along with the blazing sun sometimes. Also, the more coverage you have, the cooler you feel because the sun is not directly hitting you on your skin and you don't feel hot. The next way to stay cool in summer as a hijabi is to wear hats and sunglasses on your eyes. Wearing hats is like the best thing ever, no matter what your culture thinks about it, because I know there are some cultures which just think that girls wearing hats, especially on hijabs, look awkward. But hey, as long as you're comfortable with it, it doesn't matter what others think. Wearing hats with hijab is the best thing ever, especially in summer, is like the best thing ever. In fact, it has become a part of my identity because I did not listen to people who had anything negative to say about it. I love wearing hats on hot days, and if it makes you feel any cooler, then definitely go for it. In fact, I have a video for you guys right here on how to wear a hat in summer as a hijabi without really affecting anything and not making your head hurt. So definitely check it out if you need some more tips on that. Or if you don't want to do hats, then umbrella. Okay, next. The fifth hack to stay cool as a hijabi is about staying cool at home when you're praying. Now, when it's a hot day and you're at home, you don't really need to be wearing the hijab except when you're praying. So obviously when it's hot and you're at home, you wouldn't be completely covered up just to stay cool. And when the time to pray comes, you're just wrapping up yourself with a hijab, with some extra sleeves, wearing a full pant, etc, etc. Because obviously we need to maintain that coverage during prayer. But what if you could stay cool in summer at home while you're praying as well? Get yourself some cool cotton prayer clothes like these, which are loose and completely covering, which you can wear over anything at your home. You can wear it over your t-shirt, you can wear it over a half pant, you can wear it over anything and still stay cool and comfortable while you're praying, inshallah. Even now that I'm sitting out in 30 degrees, this feels so cool. This feels like AC, literally. And I'm sure you can even use this in winters too when you're wearing any jackets or anything. But for summers, the best. Okay, so as a recap, the first thing we discussed in this video was to wear a cotton hijab. The next thing we looked at was to wear single layered loose full sleeve tops. After that, we looked at how wearing an abaya in summer can keep you cool, and not just abaya but any long dresses and long skirts. After that, we discussed wearing hats and sunglasses. Lastly, we discussed wearing cool prayer clothes to pray at home on hot days. Ladies, comment down below if you have any more hacks for hijabis to stay cool in summer, and inshallah your comment will benefit others. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, live your beliefs and stay tuned to Bliifee. Because I prefer wearing The next thing we looked at was to wear single layered full sleeved